guys, my name is Hitisha and today I'm going to show you another envelope which is small envelope, like you can say it as a pocket envelope. So let's start with the materials: paper, scale, pencil, scissor, fevicol, folding tool, corner punching machine, 2A tapes, ink and stamp. Let's start with measurements. So I'll just tell you the measurements. Size of the paper is 12 cm by 24 cm. So on 12 cm you have to mark 1 cm over here, 1 cm over here. Same thing opposite side, 1 cm over here, 1 cm over here. On 24 cm you have to mark 7.5, 10 and 6.5. Same thing opposite side, 7.5, 10 and 6.5. Okay, now we have to fold all these markings. Now this is 7.5, so after 7.5 you will mark half centimeter over here, half centimeter over here. So while cutting you will cut 7.5 plus half, that is 8 centimeter. Same thing over here. Now we will cut this part and this part. So the paper will almost look like this after cutting. We will stick this part. Okay. Now I will just trim the extra parts. Now we will cut these two corners. So our envelope is almost ready. Now I have this ink, So I'll just give a little color effect with this stem. See. Now I have this type of cuttings. These cuttings are easily available in the market, or you can just find it online. So it's very easily available basically. So we'll stick this over here like this. Okay. We will use 2A tape for that. And I have another 2A tape. Which I will stick here, so that when I want to stick this part, I can just peel this off and stick it. Okay. See, our envelope is ready. Thanks guys for watching.